Hello everyone. Today I have come up with a very common question which every parent has asked us, and that question is, my child doesn't listen to me. I'm all ears. Okay, so next time if you think that your child is not listening to you, that you will not do I'm all ears. What you have to do? I'm going to give you a rule of heart. So you have to say I'm all heart. Why rule of heart? Because of course we are dealing with our child. So we don't listen to our child from our ears, we listen to our child from our heart, right? So follow this rule, implement it in your parenting style and give me the feedback. And I'm sure this rule will help you building a strong bond between you and your child whenever you say that my child doesn't listen to you. So use this heart rule, or I'm sure this will definitely help in creating a strong bond between you and your child will come to you for all their solutions. Okay, so I'm all heart. What does it mean? Heart stands for H, hook with them. So show them how the things has to be done. For an example, my daughter doesn't like to brush her teeth. Okay, so I play a song, a very nice song, especially in the night time and before we go to the bed, and she follows me. I took a brush and I start doing it, and she sees me how I'm doing it, and then I keep on moving myself like I'm dancing. So she follows that, and it's kind of excited to her, it's kind of exciting to her, and she started doing it. Yes, so hook with them, work with them, tell them that how the thing has to be done rather than just pushing them on forcing them to do something. Okay, so E stands for even Steven message. That means break down whatever message you are sending them, whatever rule you want them to follow, so break it down. For an example, if you want your kid to clean their room, okay, because it's a messed up right now, so want them to work on it, so you want them to clean their own room. How do you do it? Break it down. So first tell them, okay, let's start with your toys. Okay, or maybe you can say, let's start with your wardrobe, right? So break down the message which you want to give it to them, which you want them to follow you. All right, for an example, if you say that first eat your salad from the plate, right, rather than saying them that why you're not finishing your dinner. All right, so have patience, deal with them slowly, step by step. That is what even Steven message means, stands by E. Then A, alternatives. Give them options, make them to choose for themselves. For example, you can ask them what dress you want to wear today, maybe what pajamas you want to wear today, red or green or maybe blue, whatever. So give them the choice, ask them their alternatives, make them take their own decisions. Yes, that way they will get excited, and maybe they will choose when they know that they have this option, they have this space to choose for themselves. Then of course they will open up with you. R stands for repeating back and rewarding. That means that whatever message you convey to them, make sure that they will repeat back to you, so that you know that yeah, they have heard you right. If I want my daughter to, finish her food in 15 minutes, then ask her, have you heard what I said? Please, can you please repeat it for me? Yes. So just tell them to repeat. So I want you to finish your lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever in 15 minutes. So ask them to repeat it. And once they are done eating their meal in 15 minutes, reward them as well. So maybe you can say that, okay, if you will finish your lunch in 15 minutes, then maybe you can watch half an hour extra TV, or maybe 15 minutes extra TV, or whatever they like. I'm just giving an example. All right, so that is what R stands for. T, touch. That is a very important thing while we are dealing with our family members. Physical touch. Hold their hands, hold their shoulders, make them feel comfort, make them feel that you are there for them, make them feel safe. Yes, and the warmth from your body, from your hands, when when it will reach to your child, definitely you will have a heart to heart connection with them. And then you will not hear them from your ears, you will hear them from your heart, and that's how you will find the solution. That my child doesn't listen to you, it will disappear, definitely. And of course, so for more tips, if you want to attend our parents module, then you can visit our website, you can reach to us, and www.axpire.co is our website. You can reach there and you can attend our parenting modules from which you can become from parent to a super parent. All right, see you next time. Thank you so much.